Liquidity and inducement are the most commonly confused topics. In this video, I'm going to show you what liquidity and inducement mean, the similarities and the differences. So come closer, let me show you. Talking about liquidity and inducement, I'm going to be showing you the differences and the similarities. I'm going to keep this video simple, short, and sweet. So stay till the end of this video. Okay, so when we talk about liquidity, we are basically talking about money. Everybody knows that, right? And you can find money in every candle of the market. Yes, you heard that right. You can find on this chart. Now, for liquidity, for every swing points, you will always find on this eye, this is a swing point, this is a swing low, this is a swing high, this is a swing low, this is a swing high, this is a swing low. For every of the higher highs, higher lows, lower highs, lower lows, you would always find liquidity. Yes, because it is money. People are keeping their money there. People are keeping their money there. You will see people place stop loss. You will see people place sell limit, buy stop, sell stop for every of the swing points of the market. And that is why there is liquidity everywhere in the market. Every candle carries liquidity. Okay, so for every of this liquidity, for every of these swing points, inducements. Okay, for inducements, we have now inducement basically is a part of liquidity. It is just an aspect of liquidity. Okay, inducement is an aspect of liquidity that you can find in specific places. Inducement is like a deceit. Okay, inducement is like deceiving you to enter at this particular area so that you can put your stop loss on a particular swing point, which is a liquidity for somebody else. So that is inducement. You can't find inducements in every areas of the market. No, liquidity is on every candle. Liquidity is at every point. Liquidity is at every swing point, while inducement is at specific areas of the market. Inducements, okay? Let's get an example of inducement. So for instance, we had, okay, let me show you from the beginning here. Just watch this carefully. We had a break of structure to the upside. Now, we have two types of inducements. Personally, I have two types of inducements because not everybody has that types. Okay, everybody will teach what works for them. Now, there are two types of inducements that works for me: primary inducement and secondary inducement. If you want to watch how I broke everything down, there is a video of that in my channel already on this YouTube channel. So check out for that and watch it carefully. So we had this is our first break of structures, did not get deeply. This is my primary inducement. This particular low is my just wants you to believe is that they want you to believe there is a way you can continuation, and that is why inducement is deceitful. Okay, inducement is like a deceit. So this particular low that after the low was taken, the market particular low is my inducement, and that is the liquidity market came to seek after. I'll repeat that again. That is the liquidity market came to seek after. Yes, you might be wondering why I called it liquidity. Inducement is an aspect of liquidity. Inducement is like a topic under liquidity. But when we talk about liquidity, you can see external liquidity. We can talk about external liquidity because it is everywhere in the market. Yes, we'll talk about external liquidity. We'll talk about major liquidity. We will talk about internal liquidity. All of those things are liquidity. The market is coming to seek after. We have different types of liquidity. You will see some people say buy stops. Yes, it is also liquidity. You will see some people say sell stops. It is also liquidity, right? So that is just the way inducement is in liquidity. So inducement is just an aspect of liquidity that we are still expecting market to come back to take. And you can see that this particular low liquidity lies there. It is also our inducement level. So I hope after this video, you've been able to differentiate between liquidity and inducement. If you do not understand inducement perfectly, I have a video on my channel that you really need to watch to understand inducement clearly. Do not forget to join my Telegram community. I'm going to link the link in my description for you to join. I share everything trading on the channel, so you do not want to miss out on it. Have an amazing and profitable day ahead. Bye.